Image menu. Image menu in the application bar has various options related to color, size, and view of an image. Following table describes the different options that you can use to change the look of your image. Option. Description. Mode. It allows you to change the color mode of an image. It provides various color modes such as grayscale, RGB, red, green, blue, 𝐶𝐸, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, lab color, duotone, bitmap, multi-channel, and indexed. You can use 𝐶𝐸, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black color mode for images in a full color print brochure and use RGB, red, green, blue color mode for images in web or email to reduce file size. Adjustments. It allows you to access various tools for changing the brightness, contrast, levels, exposure, vibrance, hue or saturation, and color balance of an image. Auto tone. It automatically adjusts the black point and white point in an image. Auto contrast. It adjusts image contrast automatically. Auto color. It adjusts the contrast and color of an image. Image size. It allows you to adjust the size of a photo of currently active layer on the canvas. Canvas size. It allows you to change the width and height of the whole working area according to your requirement. Rotate image. It allows you to rotate the whole canvas. Few rotation degrees are already provided like 180 degree, 90 degree, clockwise or anti-clockwise, etc. Crop. It allows you to cut extra or unwanted part from the image and focuses on the key areas. Trim. It removes empty, solid colored area around your image. If the image has any transparent area, that can also be removed with this option. Reveal all. It expands the canvas as large as necessary to reveal full image when an image being moved beyond the canvas boundary. Duplicate. It allows you to create a duplicate copy of your current file or document. Apply image. It allows you to apply a blend mode to the layer. It opens a dialog box with Source and Target tabs. From the Source tab, you can choose a layer on which blend modes will be applied. From the Target tab, you can select different blend modes to apply. Calculate. It uses only a single grayscale channel. It creates a new channel or a black and white document or an active selection but never a color file. Variables. It allows you to create templates that you can use to produce several versions of the same standard style automatically. Trap. It allows you to add few cushion pixels at the border of objects in your photos. This controls how much color will overlap when the objects intersect during printing.